In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate on Google Drive, whether you're working on a project with your team or simply want to share a document with a friend. Knowing how to share files effectively is essential. So let's dive right into it. First, let's start by opening Google Drive. Navigate your way to the specific file you want to share. You can easily locate it by browsing through your folders or using the search function at the top of the page. Once you've found the file, click on it to select it. This action will highlight the file, letting you know it's ready for the next step. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner of your screen, where you should find the plus share icon, a little figure with a plus sign. This icon is your gateway to collaboration. Click on this and a sharing settings window will pop up, giving you multiple options for how you want to proceed. In the sharing settings window, you'll see a field where you can type in the email address of the person you wish to share with. This step is crucial because it directly specifies who gets access to your file. Simply enter the email address, and as a tip, double check to ensure there are no typos. This ensures that the intended person receives the invitation. Now let's focus on access settings. By default, Google might restrict access to just the people whose emails you've entered. If you want the file to be available more broadly, perhaps to anyone who has the link, you can change the general access settings. Look for the section titled General Access and switch the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link. This is particularly useful if you're sharing something with a larger audience and you don't want to manually add numerous email addresses. After customizing who can gain access to the file, the next step is to define the level of access. Google Drive offers three primary access options: viewer, commenter, and editor. As a viewer, the person can only see the contents of the file. This is useful for presentations or read-only documents. As a commenter, they'll also be able to leave comments or suggestions on the document, which is great for feedback purposes. Lastly, as an editor, they have full editing rights. They can make changes to the content, the layout, and even share the document further. Choose the option that best fits the nature of your collaboration. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, don't forget to hit send. This step finalizes sharing and sends out email notifications to those you've granted access. And there you have it, a straightforward way to share and collaborate using Google Drive. I hope this walkthrough makes it easier for you to collaborate seamlessly. Sharing is a powerful tool, and knowing how to do it efficiently can make all the difference in a collaborative environment.